My phone almost fell. Okay, welcome to this video. I'm Hazel, I crochet, and today I'll be organizing my little container here. My little container of all the stuff, all the inventory for last year. And I'll be chatting to you on what happened last year. It was my first time doing markets and it was a disaster. I lost a lot of money. I made a lot of mistakes and I'm still learning, so let's get into this video. I'm just gonna pick up stuff randomly in here and then just put them on the lid. And I'll also be talking to you guys about what works, especially if you want to do markets in South Africa. Do not compare yourself to the ones doing markets in Canada, in Australia, in America. Do not do that. Starting off with, I'm gonna see a lot of my face, these trays. Yeah, they helped me a lot in these markets just to organize. I got them, if you live in South Africa and you're watching this, I got them from Pep Home, so with smaller sizes. Like the smaller ones are really cheap, and then there's the medium, and then there's the huger ones. So I ended up making plushies at the end. I realized at the end of the year that plushies do well. Like plushies are like, I don't even know how to say, like, yeah, these little thingies with the soft, make sure it's soft yarn, because every time I went to a market and I saw some other crochet person, most of them crocheted with like regular yarn. They crocheted plushies, bunnies, and it was cute. It is cute, but with fluffy, more soft yarn, they feel it and then they like it, and then it's just like a whole vibe for them. So I recommend, if you want to do markets anyway, use fluffy yarn and make plushies. They do well. Yeah, so let's just count all the plushies that are left over. I have this little kitten, but my last market was a bum. Not the worst market. My first market was the worst, but it was, I didn't sell much. I sold like one thing on my last market of last year, and then I was just like, okay, let me give myself a break, because December now, and I'll just do that in January. A dinosaur. 3 people at the market wanted the dinosaur. 2 of them were like, I'm coming back with the money. I was like, oh, okay. Then this other lady was just like, how much is this dinosaur? I'm coming. And then she went and she literally came back, and then later on somebody was like, where's the dinosaur? And I was like, it's gone. Then I made another one, and then it didn't sell on my last market. I have a turtle, a little turtle. I'm gonna try and link the patterns for these little things that then I made this doggy. Like, this one has a story. I wanted to make a cat, but the colors, I was like, are these the colors of a cat? I don't know. So I just extended the ears, and then I made the nose, and then a shorter tail. The cat's tail is more straight and thick. Hopefully it looks like a dog. And I made outfits for Christmas. It was initially for Christmas, but they didn't buy. I also made an extra outfit for the little bunnies, you know, both of them. Another turtle that you made reversible octopus, octopi. I don't like the eyes. That's it for the plushies. Hats. Somebody's not gonna buy a crochet hat in summer, but some people will buy a crocheted hat in summer because they're thinking of winter. For now, I'm not gonna do any more hats. Unless you're based on crocheted hats, you know. But if you do a little of everything, I don't know. I wouldn't. But yeah, I have these hats. These ones were liked very much, but were not bought because I crocheted them in summer. This one, I think it's gonna be reused, or it's just gonna be mine. Yeah. And then this one, I don't know, it looks cute on the camera, but nobody seems to want it. No, I don't want to sell this. I might use this yarn and make something else. I'm not throwing them away. Whew, no, I'm reusing it and making something else that would sell. And more of these hats. Yeah, they don't sell that well at markets, but they sell through people. Like, tell somebody, I have these crocheted hats. Oh, I sell crocheted hats. Yeah, that's how they sell. But at markets, they don't do that well. They sell better on online stores and stuff like that, not at markets. And this hat, this other lady wanted to buy it, but she didn't buy it. I'm gonna try and sell it one more time. I'm gonna buy a new tablecloth because this is rubbish. It's just literally, okay, no. Let me show you how far I've gone. Crocheted bags. I feel like crochet bags do better. This type, like very loosey type of bags, they do best online. Like if you have an online store or you want to sell these bags, I recommend you just try first do selling it through online, advertising it online, and then after you can do it at markets, because I think they do best and you can get an audience first online. Because these bags, this I've had it for a long time. This one was recent. This one has been there for a long time. I even added lining, but still I recommend you do stronger bags, like tote bags, big. Oh, let me quickly show you these type of bags. Like I crocheted this is my mother's. She also asked me to make one for her, which is stronger, like a tote bag would be. It took me 2 weeks to make. I also made a commission for this other lady who saw me at my market and was like, she saw these bags and she was like, can you make me a stronger bag because this is weak. Yeah, tote bags are the way to go, unless you have an audience and you want to sell these very different type of bags, very unique trendy bags. So I also started making fluffy because I noticed that people love this yarn, so I also made bags. Also these bags, I also made phone bags, and I only sold one 6 markets ago and I don't think they sell well. I forgot another plushie. Okay, and then I made bandanas. Not a single one sold. I really thought they would sell, but 8 markets and they haven't sold. I don't know. Some people are afraid that it might itch, so maybe that's why. I think I really thought people would buy them. Like this other girl was like, is that a top? I'm like, no, it's a bandana. She's like, oh. Scrunchy bows, bigger bows, right? And a bow was actually the first thing that I sold at a market, and I sold it to a girl who's now my friend. Like bows, but so far I've sold 1 bow to my friend. I'm reusing these bows. Yes, I'm reusing these bows. I'm just gonna keep the red long one. Headbands. What? Like, y'all don't like this? No, I feel like I didn't advertise them well. I don't know how to display headbands. They sold twice and then they just stopped, but I'm gonna reuse them. Yeah, I don't want to dwell in last year. Let me reuse them. These are all headbands. Please watch my video. I'm gonna try and make a videos of me reusing this stuff and what I made with them. So what happened here? Scrunchies go to. If you're doing markets and you want to add something, definitely do. Like if you just want like a little thingy, just do scrunchies and sell them at markets. I don't know how they would do at like online. I don't know. But at markets, these are a go-to. Make them cheap. Don't make them expensive, because scrunchies literally take like less than 30 minutes to make. Do scrunchies, sweetie. I feel like I'm gonna do scrunchies with most of this yarn. and this is what's left. Like I kept making them, then they were going, then making, then they were going. Please find yourself a little tutorial and do scrunchies. Flower pots. Why would I have flower pots? Because I sold flowers. I'm not gonna lie, flowers, they're not bad. I sold 3. That's not bad. That's not bad for a person who doesn't specifically do, and a person who was starting and choosing the worst from the best markets to the middle markets. Flowers are a go-to. Sold out on my roses. I need to start wrapping I've tried so many wrapping ideas and papers, and I don't know yet. I'm still working on that, but I feel like I'll focus on this more, on flowers more in February. I made coasters. These trendy coasters that trended last year, I made them. I made 9. I stayed up all night making them. They didn't sell. I have never sold a coaster. Definitely not the price. I don't think the price is the problem. And my bags. I don't like using plastic bags. I want to start branding the thingies. Oh, I also tried making hanging plants. I sold one to my mother, but I'm gonna keep selling it because it's really cute. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Keychains sell, especially to younger generation. I started making beaded keychains. Those who bought, those who didn't. But I tried making these little rings, beaded rings, to sell them for really cheap. I haven't sold any. I don't know why, because they are so cute. But I'm gonna keep selling them. Okay, I feel like most of this stuff I've just been not displaying them well. More rings. Like I made 50 rings. Then I was like, okay, if I sell out all 50, I'll make a certain amount of money. So if I okay, but no. I also tried making bracelets and all of that. Haven't sold a bracelet. And earrings I also made. Even comes with the back. The back thingies are I haven't sold. But I feel like it's just because I was not displaying it well. So if you want to do markets, work on your displays to attract. And then I made a little I don't think it's gonna scan. And then my little sisters gave me these little stickers. So cute. I now know what to do and what not to do. I guess work on my displays, sell specific stuff that sold last year, and seasonal stuff. If you want to do markets, do it. Learn how to crochet. I've been crocheting for a year now. In March it's going to be 2 years. So I hope you enjoyed this little chat. I hope you like my video, and please subscribe. See you in my next video.